How to hire an SEO consultant. 1. What is SEO? What is an SEO consultant, and why should you hire one? This video is going to dive into what SEO is, what the role of an SEO consultant is, and how they can help your business and website, what an SEO audit is and how it can help your site, and finally why you should hire an SEO consultant. 2. What is SEO? Search engine optimization is the process of improving the quality and quantity of a website's search results via making small yet effective changes within a website. For example, numerous factors influence websites and/or pages' SEO ranking. 3. What is the role of an SEO consultant? An SEO consultant is an individual who works with a wide range of different websites and helps optimize these, suggesting improvements and providing full reports on the current health and performance of their site. 4. To what extent does SEO affect the performance of your website? Many business owners, bloggers, and those who run a website often underestimate the power of SEO. Search engine optimization is a powerful tool that has the ability to increase organic traffic massively if done right. 5. What is an SEO audit? As an owner of a business and/or blog, you should be able to see how any current issues with SEO is currently affecting your business goals, revenue, and leads. In summary, a successful website SEO audit should provide actionable analysis of your website with suggested improvements on where to go next. 6. Why should you hire an SEO consultant? Hiring an SEO consultant will allow you to analyze your current website's performance, point out any underlying problems which may be critical to the health and performance on your site, and finally provide a roadmap to improving your website's SEO ranking factors, increasing leads, and allowing you to take over your competitors. 7. If you hire an SEO consultant, such as me, I am able to identify underlying issues with your site, conduct a website SEO audit, suggest ways to compete with competitors, report on the health and performance of your site, increase organic traffic to your site, increase business leads. 8. How much does all of this cost? Comparing our prices to competitors, our prices are much lower and actually offer more in-depth analysis, helping you to identify potential issues with your site's SEO while providing a roadmap of tasks to accomplish to increase SEO further and drive quantity and quality to your website. 9. The bottom line. If you hire an SEO consultant, which can be done through my site, I can identify any underlying issues your website, whilst providing a roadmap of actionable tasks to complete to improve the SEO of your website, while setting you up best as possible to compete with your competitors. Learn more on our blog,